Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking in how we can use Microsoft Excel to finance our personal stuff. Now, as you all know, Microsoft Excel is very well known to be for using in very big industries and very big firms to sort out data, but can you use Microsoft Excel to have your personal stuff sorted out? Let's find out. Let's suppose you got your salary and you're running a small business as well, and you want to figure out where's your data or where's your money is going throughout the month. We can finance it on the Excel sheet here. On the left column here, I'm gonna put some of the stuff that we might be spending our money, and it's gonna be random because I'm assuming everything. Now, let's suppose we got our salary and I'm gonna put salary here, and it was $50,000 or whatever currency, or let me just put a whole number, 1 lakh or 100,000. Okay, so now we want to see where that money goes actually. First things that we might be doing in our monthly basis is grocery. Then there's gonna be bills like water bill, gas bill, electricity bill, then we can have the house rent, housekeeping. Now we can have some of the repairs that we did. Then we have plumbing. Then there comes the money from the side business. I think it's enough. Now we want to distribute the money, and the money that we get is gonna be mentioned with a positive number, and the money that we are spending is gonna be represented with a negative number. Now let's suppose we want to finance our monthly stuff. So we want to see if our salary and our side business can make up for the expenses that we do in our month. Let's find out. Let's suppose we do salary worth of 12,000. I'm gonna put it in negative. The water bill is 5,000. Then we have the gas bill, which is 7,000. Then we have the electricity bill, which is around 13,000. The rent is 10,000. I'm sorry, we have to put it in negative. Then we have the housekeeping, and we can pay housekeeping around 6,000. Then we have repairs around of 3,000. Then we have plumbing worth of 5,000. Then we got our side business, and we got paid around 50,000. Now we're gonna see if our salary combined with our side business is enough for all these expenses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down to this column. I'm gonna go to Home tab. I'm gonna click on this small icon here, and it's gonna select all the boxes. I'm gonna hit enter. There you go. We are still left with 89,000 rupees, which is very good. Now let's suppose if we are not running a side business at all. Let's suppose there is no money from side business. We are still left with $39,000, which is a very good number. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you ideas how to use Microsoft Excel for personal finance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.